What is the name of the first computer virus? The correct answer is option B, Creeper program virus. Question number 2. Which award is given for outstanding service in any field in India? The correct answer is option A, Padma Vibhushan. Question number 3. Which Indian won the Chess World Championship 5 times? The correct answer is option D, Vishwanathan Anand. Question number 4. The Ranji Trophy is associated with which sport? The correct answer is option C, cricket. Question number 5. Which Indian city is famous for hosting the Mahakumbh Mela? The correct answer is option B, Prayagraj. Question number 6. What is the name of the Parliament of India? The correct answer is option C, Sansad. Question number 7. Which Indian city has the fast metro rail system in India? The correct answer is option D, Kolkata. Question number 8. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? The correct answer is option B, Bengaluru. Question number 9. Which Indian state is known for its unique living root bridges? The correct answer is option D, Meghalaya. Question number 10. What is the name of India's first national park? The correct answer is option D, Jim Corbett National Park. Question number 11. Which Indian company is a global leader in the steel industry? The correct answer is option C, Tata Steel Limited. Question number 12. Which Bollywood actor is known as King Khan? The correct answer is option A, Shah Rukh Khan. Question number 13. Who is known as the father of Indian cinema? The correct answer is option A, Dada Saheb Phalke. Question number 14. What is the official language of the Indian state of Kerala? The correct answer is option D, Malayalam. Question number 15. Which language is known as the classical language of India? The correct answer is option A, Sanskrit. Question number 16. Which is the largest paramilitary force in India? The correct answer is option D, Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF. Question number 17. Where is the famous Qutub Minar located? The correct answer is option B, Delhi. Question number 18. Which is the largest Hindu temple in India? The correct answer is option C, Akshardham Temple. Question number 19. Which festival is celebrated in honor of Lord Ganesha? The correct answer is option A, Ganesh Chaturthi. Question number 20. Which festival is celebrated as the birth of Lord Krishna? The correct answer is option A, Janmashtami. Question number 21. Who was the leader of the Champaran Satyagraha? The correct answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 22. Which is the most translated book by an Indian author? The correct answer is option B, Bhagavad Gita. Question number 23. What is the name of the first Indian to go to space? The correct answer is option B, Rakesh Sharma. Question number 24. Which Indian state has the highest GDP? The correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Question number 25. Which sector is the largest contributor to India's GDP? The correct answer is option D, services sector. Question number 26. Who is the father of the Indian economic reforms of 1991? The correct answer is option B, Manmohan Singh. Question number 27. What is the capital of the state of Assam? The correct answer is option C, Dispur. Question number 28. Who founded the Indian National Congress? The correct answer is option A, Alan Octavian Hume. Question number 29. Which organization conducts the monetary policy of India? The correct answer is option D, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 30. Which Indian state has the largest number of members of parliament? The correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh.